and you guys will not believe what just happened to me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kunda, the voice, the face behind your FMD. So yeah, I think this is my returning to YouTube video. There's really no life update. Where have I been? Uni. You know, you think like, oh, just for this month. Before you know it, months go and it's like, yo, I haven't done this thing in such a long time, and we're finally back. I tried to vlog last month and yeah, it just didn't really work out. I got content and then I was also just too busy, and also I was just forgetting, but I think I'm committed now. And today is Monday the 11th. I'm ready, dressed up and everything. My hair is did, and I'd like to do my nails today. So I'd like to do my nails today and do, I think, a little bit of shopping. I don't know if I'll be able to do that because it seems the plans I had are not really going that direction, and I sort of have to put myself in someone else's plans, like my mom's plans, and see how I can make the day work. But I think I'm going to do my nails today, and I'll carry you guys along through the week as I'm preparing for my travel. And yeah, this will be the video where we being in transit and finally getting to my destination. Well, I'm sure from the video, from the title, the destination is gonna be there already. And yeah, I'm excited to vlog, I'm excited to travel, I'm excited. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, share. It goes back to your screens and whatever. So let's get right into it. Hi guys, good morning. So of course I was not able to vlog the whole process of me doing my nails, but I did do my nails. Okay, I'll show them properly. And I think I feel indifferent. I did French tips as always in red, but I don't know. I don't even think it's just about the red. I think maybe I also just don't like the technique of the French. I also added like a chrome thingy, but that's on that new day. I'm going to the Chinese shop now, so I wasn't able to do that yesterday because yeah, as I told you guys, my plans were just all over the place. Not like they were all over the place. The fact that I had to put myself in other people's plans put them all over the place, and yeah, I basically just didn't have all the control that I could have. Right now I'm going to the Chinese shop, like it's early in the morning, it's probably almost 9, and yeah, there's just some things that I need. So it's like I don't really want to start my day and then start going there when the moments that I need them would have passed, if you get. So yeah, let's go. I'm tempted to park in reverse, but that's not my specialty. Well, I could have parked there in reverse, but I'm too far from it. Hi guys, the lighting isn't so great, but it is Friday and it's travel day. We're going to the back. I just came here to do my intro. Basically, I came really early. I was literally like the first person. I'm with my mom, so we were like the first people on our flight at our gate. Literally, like that's how early we were, and it's like we still got like 1 hour 30 minutes to wait. I just noticed there's one braid that's kind of like unbraiding, so I came to like try and fix it. This is my outfit. This is not really what I wanted to wear, but I'm like and of course the Crocs that have made it to everywhere. And guys, please don't tell me that you see these crocs everywhere, because ciao, I know, and I promise I'm embarrassed that they keep up making appearance. I'm getting a second pair. Okay, so yeah, it's currently like it's almost 9 and our flight is for 10. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, the journey through getting there and wherever the vlog ends and we start another one and all that good stuff. I will capture as much as I can just to share the moments, because I would also like to watch them back and just relive the moments. Yeah, my nose, I feel like besides the base color, I think also the shape, it's square but like it's oval, so it's like squoval. I think like that's what was tipping me off low-key, but I enjoy. My hair still hurts. I did my hair last week Saturday and I said it's Friday, but it is what it is. So girl is finally checking in, and I'm here to give you guys to check in, to give you an update on what's going on. So in my last clip, you know, we're taking off from Nairobi and all is well. We're eating, and like a few hours into our flight, maybe like an hour and a half into our flight, the pilot announces that we're going back to Nairobi. This has been the most chaotic travel experience I've had. Like, I can't believe how much has happened in less than 24 hours. But anyway, he says that we have to go back because there's a mechanical problem and the engineers need to look at it. Like play. We land back in Nairobi by like midnight, and in my head I'm like, I was left with like 1 hour or so to finally be in Dubai. Like, you know, you're counting down because already they delayed the flight from like 8:55. It went to 9:40. By the time we finally leaving, it was like 8:40. So that's like extra 2 hours or something like that. And yeah, you finally start your journey and you find yourself back where you left, and here we are. I think it's like 4 a.m. right now, because we had to sit on the runway for a long time before they came to like, they sent those shuttle buses to come and pick us up. After that, now had to like start, like, you know, you're an arrival, I was going to say patient, you're an arrival passenger at this point, because you're no longer transferring. So like we had to do the whole passport thingy. Like, fine, my passport doesn't require a visa, so that was quite easy. And after doing that, we had to now like give our boarding passes to be given hotels to stay at. So I'm traveling with my mom, by the way. They call a list of names and like with our boarding passes, and I'm like, I'm not with my mom. But then it's like there's no clear instruction and you're basically just on edge, run around. Anyway, I end up going with those people. We stand outside for a long time, and at this point I'm looking out for my mom, like, okay, is she coming? Like, what's going on? And yeah, long story short, she finally comes, but then she's in a different hotel. So yeah, I'm here alone. They checked me in at Western. Yeah, so I guess this counts that I've been to Kenya, Nairobi. But it's been crazy. I can't believe that it's probably like almost 4 a.m. and I think it's a pretty cool room, and I want to give you guys a room tour. Yeah, that's basically what's happened on my journey. I felt like there's something else I wanted to share, but yeah, that's it. Oh, also my aunt is traveling with us. We were supposed to meet in Nairobi and then go to Dubai together, but then she was put on a different flight, and then the flight that was coming to Nairobi came super late, so we didn't get to meet. And yeah, but her flight went to Dubai. So it's just a lot going on, and it's just the craziness of how many people are complaining. Like, there's people who, this is their second night, like this is the second time they've had to come back. Like, there's a woman who's sitting right next to us from Zim, and she said, oh yeah, I've been trying to go to Dubai since yesterday. Like, yesterday I started my journey and I ended up staying in Kenya, and here I am again. And like, these people have complained. Like, there's just so much going on. I don't get it. But do not choose Kenyan Airways. Do not choose it, because the complaints, like, there's people who are going on holiday and they've basically just like given up. Like, there's people who, like, you know what, let me just go back home, because how am I spending 3 nights here? Because already that's eating into my holiday time, right? Like, let me just go home. Anyway, let me give you guys a quick room tour before I sleep, or probably have to connect to the internet and just catch up with my people, check in on people, and then I'm going to finally sleep. Yeah, let's do this. I'm looking forward. As much as it's like, oh my gosh, I'm just trying to see the best in everything, because I know that all things work together for my good, and like, I'm fine. Yeah, like, okay, you've eaten one day into my holiday, but I'm going to enjoy it anyway. I'm going to enjoy being here. Like I said, it means I've been to Nairobi, in it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing like daybreak, seeing what outside looks like, taking a tour. This is a directory of the hotel. Since I have the voucher to be here, I'm like, please let me look at the services they can offer me, because we're basically here all day. Like, lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner are actually included in our stay, because they don't know when we're gonna go. So I'm like, let me enjoy my stay, in it. Yeah, I just feel sorry for my mom, because she does not even have a charger, and I hope she does find a charger so she can at least be on her phone at the very least, because we are not together. Anyway, let me show you guys. From Nairobi. I'm the drama. Good morning, guys. So it's 9 and I was just checking in. I have 1 hour till breakfast is over, so I was just checking in, and I'm going to have my breakfast now, and we'll get into the day. I'm probably, when I get back, I'm probably have my devotion, start editing this vlog. I actually started, so just like continue editing from all the content that I've accumulated so far. Yeah, I think like a tour of this place and just sharing my stay is going to be an Instagram reel instead, and shorts. Yeah, just because, yeah, that's not really the point of this vlog, but it is what it is. So let's go for breakfast. Let's dress up and go for breakfast. I went to the front desk initially to ask about either me joining my mom or my mom coming here, just so that in case it was a situation of, we're dropped off by the buses, right? So in case a bus comes and it's like, oh, they're picking people from this hotel and everyone has to be on the same flight. Yeah, so we wanted to ensure that we're in the same place. And yeah, he's like, oh yeah, she can come, but she might have to pay for her meals and stuff like that. I'm like, okay, cool. So what about our flight? The look on this guy's face, like, this guy knows we're not going to leave today. Like, he knows. So he talks about how, I know this airline is leaving, but yours, honey, I don't know, maybe 2 a.m. and he's giggling. It's like, bro, You know how these people work, and But good news is that my daddy, the superhero, has come through, of course, and we have actually been put on one of the airlines that the guy at the front desk said, "Oh, this one's going. So I know I'm going, even if I'm enjoying my stay here. Not really like enjoying, but I've got content. And yeah, I wouldn't say that I've been sad here as much as one day of my holiday has been taken. That is that. I still trust that all things work together for my good, and I'm thankful to God. I'm very thankful to God. My skin looks good. Be looking forward to a skincare routine. It's very simple. Like, I literally just use 3 products. Like, this is me giving you guys expo. Like, it's very simple. I could probably just say it here. Like, it's not even that deep. But consistency and the word of God. The word of God is your cleanser. Yeah. The word of God is your cleanser. For real. But yeah, I'm actually editing. I'm going to finish editing, and I am leaving at 6 p.m. I think it's close to 12 noon. So I still have like 6 hours to be here and just enjoy the last of free stuff. Yeah, so I checked the directory, right? Hoping that, I'm going to see some free massage or something. And yeah, there wasn't anything like that. There was a free something. I don't know what it was, but it wasn't something I'm interested in. So I was like, whatever. But yeah, did I give a comment about my food? I think my food was good, except the meatballs. They were just something about them, but everything else was actually great. It was great food. The plantain, I was expecting something tasty. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't like tasty. Anyway, guys, I will see you at 6. Hey, we're going to Dubai. Signing out. Western has been great. The food even better. I just had my dinner and now I have to rush downstairs because look, I'm not about to miss the bus that's taking me. And yeah, the food was too good. I wish I had time to enjoy it. I went there early, but they just hadn't yet started setting the food and stuff, right? So I had to eat in a rush. I had to take small portions, but oh my gosh, it was too good. I enjoyed my stay here. Thank you, Western Hotel. Please come and sponsor my video. Let me come and stay here for free again. Yeah, so we're checking out now. Girl got to rush downstairs. I believe I've packed everything. And yeah, let's go to Dubai.
Vya kuhifadhi mizigo, kwani mizigo yaweza kuanguka na kumjeruhi mtu. Kumbuka kubeba mizigo yako yote ya mkononi utakapokuwa ukishuka. Uvutaji sigara hautaruhusiwa hadi utakapofika nje kwenye jengo kuu. Maafisa wa huduma watakaolaki ndege watafurahi kuwapa maelezo yote zaidi mtakayohitaji. Ni tumaini letu kwa umefurahi kusafiri nasi na utapata fursa.
I'm logging in to basically sign out of the vlog, right? And you guys will not believe what just happened to me. Like, why am I going through all of this stress? I'm on holiday. I'm a baby girl. But anyway, I forgot my carry-on luggage. I tried going back where I left it because I know where I left it, and it's an exit only type of thing, so like I can't enter from there. I went to baggage services. They're like, oh, it wasn't checked in, so you have to go to Lost and Found. I went to Lost and Found, and they said that my flight was recent and there's a particular time that they go and look for what is lost to actually declare it as lost, and like the police have to go and stuff like that. So I have to come back again later. Like, I literally go to my hotel, rushed back here, only to find out that I can't even have it, and they said they can't deliver it to me. The stress. Now I have to find the metro because I have to get a card to be able to use the metro and the bus. That is how my life is going. Anyway, guys, so I think I'm actually signing out of this vlog now, and yeah, see you on the other side of Dubai.